Bird migration is a remarkable feat every year. Birds undertake long-distance journeys, covering thousands of miles across diverse landscapes and changing seasons. But how do they find their way? Scientists believe that birds rely on a range of navigational tools, including celestial cues, landmarks, and their ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field. This extraordinary phenomenon highlights the resilience and adaptability of these winged creatures. Birds have also evolved remarkable wing aerodynamics, enabling them to glide effortlessly through the skies during their long-distance migrations. Join us as we uncover the secrets of bird migration, a testament to the marvels of the natural world. Subscribe for more awe-inspiring insights.